Take two. Shane
right.
in the tree.
In. I needed assistance for the ladder maneuver, but up here I'm on my own.
It looks so
Trust
funny.
the rope and my knife. So I'll be getting up here, and then I'll be requesting the chainsaw once I get onto this tier. And then we'll go to town. Alright.
Alright, these are items that don't need a chainsaw.
Oh, sorry.
Oh my gosh.
I guess I could have warned you about that. I'm just cleaning off my workspace.
Alright. The climb. Let's say he's about 60 feet up in the air right now, maybe going to 70 right now.
Alright, I'm going to kick a couple branches off.
Okay.
Clean off my workspace.
About 100 feet up in the air now.
Maybe this is where your knife comes in handy, what I talked about. I don't know if my knife's sharp enough, but
Let's do a zoom. Hold on, I need to zoom in on this. Zoom. How do you zoom on this?
I think it's on the top.
Yeah, I'm hitting it. Darn it. It's not working. Oh, I don't think it has it on the camera.
Alright.
Alright.